Hello, welcome to an introduction to Morley Library's online research databases. My name is Louise, and I'm an adult and teen services librarian at Morley Library. In this video, I will show you how to find Morley's online research databases and how to log into a few of them from outside of the library. So what is an online research database, and why would you want to use one? The short answer is a research database is a collection of materials organized for ease of use, indexed to return search results relevant to the search terms used, edited for accuracy, and updated regularly to ensure the information is kept current. Grab your favorite beverage and let's take a look at the online research databases Morley Library offers to its library card holders. Our journey begins with Google, and in the Google address bar, I'm going to enter Morley's web address, morleylibrary.org, and enter. This takes us to Morley's homepage, and I'm going to put my cursor right here on the Adults tab, and in the drop-down menu, I'm going to highlight and click on Databases. To log into a database while you're inside of the library, just click on the database title and you're logged in. To log in from outside of the library, you need to enter your library card number. We have a few research databases that will require more than just a library card to use, and I'm going to demonstrate how to log into 4 of them. But first, let's browse at the list and see what's available. This is a list of our databases, and it's organized by subject or category. It's in an alphabetical list by subject or category. Just scroll down through here and see what we have to offer. There's quite a variety of resources to choose from in our database collection. Going back up to the top, I'm going to click over to the alphabetical list. And this is strictly a list of databases in alphabetical order. At Morley Library, there are 3 ways in which databases are provided for our library card holders to use 24/7 and for free. One group of databases is provided by the State Library of Ohio to all Ohio public libraries for their library card holders to use for free. The World Book Encyclopedia is an example of one of those databases provided to all Ohio libraries by the State Library. This is a 2-step login. The first thing we do is enter library card number. And I hope yours has fewer zeros than mine. On the second screen here, we select Morley Library and submit again. And this is World Book's home page. The second group of databases is provided by the CleveNet Consortium to CleveNet member libraries for all Cleveland Library cardholders to access. Novelist is one of the CleveNet databases. To use a CleveNet database, you enter either your library card number and your PIN number, or if you have created a username and a password, you can enter that instead. My library card information is already there, so I'm going to hit submit. And here I am at the homepage for Novelist Plus. Great database if you're looking for a new author to read, series by a particular author. This database covers fiction and nonfiction reading recommendations for children, teen, and adults. A final group of databases is provided by Morley Library to only Morley Library cardholders. Gale Courses is one of these, and it requires first a Morley Library card to log in with, and then you're going to have to create an account with a username and a password. The first thing you need to do to use this database is to select a class that you would like to take. Then you click on Enroll Now. Select the date you would like to start the class. And then you're going to enter an email here to create a new account. I'm going to use the help screens to show you what needs to be done from here to finish creating that account. Okay, I'm clicking on Enrollment and Account Creation. All right. Ignore the fact that it says Ed2Go. Gale Courses was originally created as Ed2Go for colleges to use. And when they made this edition for public libraries, they did not change the language on their help screen. Okay, so we've selected our date, we've entered our email address, and clicked on the Create Account button. The next screen that's going to come up is where you're going to enter your account information. You can see that's your email, creating a password and a security question and answer, and then you're going to enter some personal information here in the other column. And then you're just going to click Continue. Don't be thrown because it said payment options. There are no payment options. Our button will just say Continue. The next screen that comes up will show you your account information, and this will say Submit instead of Payment Options. Finally, you are going to see an order confirmation page, and again, ignore this example with payment because there's no fee for you to use Gale Courses. All right. Let me show you what the home page looks like after you log in to Gale Courses. I'm going to enter my email address. And my password. Let me start that again. And this is the home page for Gale Courses. Your active courses will show right here. And I highly recommend going to the help section and taking a look at each one of these categories for more information about using Gale Courses. It's extremely helpful. Okay. The final database I'm going to share with you is the Rosetta Stone language. Database. First thing we do is enter the library card number. And sign in. Next, you will add an email address and password. And you'll select a language. By doing this, you are creating your account and your login for using Rosetta Stone. This is the launch page, and when you click on Launch Rosetta Stone, the first screen that pops up will have a box on it that will have you set up your microphone and your speakers. The next box that pops up will ask you if you just want to learn how to speak the language and proper pronunciation, or it'll give you other options. Perhaps you'd like to learn how to speak and read. Maybe you'd be interested in learning how to speak, read, and write. Those are the various options that you would have for each language you'd like to learn. Okay. That is the final database that I'm sharing with you today. I would like to take this opportunity to say thank you for watching this video. I hope you got something out of it. And if you do have any questions, call the Adult and Teen Services Department or email us at ref@morleylibrary.org. Thank you. Bye-bye.